Good morning, everybody, and welcome to a Friday morning from Grand Rapids off to the east. We've had a fair amount of sunshine through the morning hours, but now you can see, especially to the western suburbs of Grand Rapids and the southwestern portion of Kent County, there are some snow showers filtering into the area. And we've had those in the forecast. Snow showers are basically going to be confined along and west of US 131. Now, some of those may trickle to the east, but they're going to be very, very light. And the best accumulations have been at the immediate lakeshore. We haven't gotten any numbers from the Weather Service, but I'm thinking probably a good 2 or 3 inches may have fallen there because we got a pretty good burst with some heavier bands throughout the morning hours here. It is going to be mainly quiet and dry for tomorrow, and then another swath, widespread of about 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 inches comes into play as we get into the second part of Sunday. So as we look at live Doppler radar, you can see along and west of US 131 there are lake effect snow showers. Some of these have moved into Berry County here and down into northern portions of Kalamazoo County, maybe as far east as northwestern Calhoun County as well, around Battle Creek area. But we'll zoom in on this, and you can see those areas of darker bands of blue, especially a few hours ago where they were out over Lake Michigan and they migrated eastward on shore. That was pretty much what we planned on. Some of these are going a little further to the east, which we said that would happen, but these are going to be very light if you're further east of US 131. As a matter of fact, you folks that are east of US 131 have actually been enjoying some sunshine for part of the day here. Excuse me, as we look at our current temperatures then, we're 22 degrees right now in Grand Rapids, 21 in Kalamazoo, 22 up there in Big Rapids. We pull out to a wider perspective. There is still Arctic air entrenched over the Great Lakes, the Midwest, the Northern Plains, Central Plains, all the way down into Texas where they had freezing warnings or freeze warnings in effect even into Texas. But the good news for them, at least the snow and the ice are out of that state. And you can see the cloudiness beginning to kind of form around the area, these lake effect snow showers moving in. There's two things going on. Lake effect snow showers that are coming off Lake Michigan and migrating eastward, and then there's some upper level energy kind of pivoting on through the Great Lakes. So between both of those scenarios, we may see a couple of snow showers, but for areas along and east of US 131, it's going to be very light. Some sunshine still maybe in the cards there if you're east of US 131, but I think that continues to get cut off throughout the day, and we'll see at least a chance of some snow showers in those areas. We've already had snow showers along and west of US 131. Temperatures today around 26 degrees for the high with a west-southwest wind at 6 to 12 miles per hour. As we look at the computer forecast model here, high pressure is going to be building on in, but it won't happen immediately today. We'll have the chance of those snow showers. They'll go through at least part of the overnight hours, and then that high pressure, I think, will shut those snow showers down by the time we get into our Saturday. Should actually see a little bit of sunshine on Saturday. This is Saturday at 6 p.m. Saturday night into Sunday, just some breaks in the cloud cover, and then this area of this low pressure area is going to spread snow in here, likely widespread swath of accumulating snow by the time we go into the second part of Sunday. Here's our European forecast model to give you a flavor of how much to expect between now and Monday at 6 p.m. You could see generally a widespread area of about 1 to 3 inches. There may be some higher amounts off to the north and west of Grand Rapids, maybe on the order of about 2 to 4 inches. Our other forecast model we call the GFS shows that higher total, maybe about 4.5 inches off to the north and west of Grand Rapids, and that is all the way through Monday, so that includes that Sunday system as well. We're talking 26 degrees today with those lake effect snow showers mainly along and west of US 131, but some of those will trickle to the east as well, but they're going to be very, very light. We're in the mid-20s tomorrow with maybe a few lingering morning flurries, otherwise partly sunny skies. 32 on Sunday. The first part of Sunday is dry, but PM and nighttime snow will develop, and that's where the 1 to 3 and the 2 to 4 inch totals come into play. That may end up with some morning snow or some drizzle or a mix there on Monday. 35 degrees there. How about up to 40 degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday? And then we're back down to the mid-30s for Thursday. And by the way, mid-30s, Brody, that's about where we should be for this time of the year. 35 is the normal or the average high for this date. Brody?
All right, I'll take mid-30s. Kevin, thank you very much. It's 11:23. Still ahead, NASA's latest Mars